Good morning, first graders. Today our read aloud is The Big Red Barn. Our book is written by Margaret Wise Brown. That's the author. And our illustrator, the person who does the pictures, is Felicia Bond. This is one of my own children's books when they were growing up, one of their favorite. By the big red barn in the great green field, there was a pink pig who was going to squeal. Do you see the pink pig ready to squeal? There was a great big horse and a very little horse. And on every barn is a weather vane, of course. Do you see the weather vane? Here's the weather vane, of course. A golden flying horse with the directions, which way the wind is blowing, north, south, east, or west. There was a big pile of hay and a little pile of hay, and that is where the children play. Do you see the hay? The hay keeps the horses and the animals warm in the barn, and also the horses will eat the hay. But in this story, the children are away. They're gone. Only the animals are on the farm. The sheep and the donkey, the geese and the goats were making funny noises down in their throats. And an old scarecrow was leaning on his hoe. That's a type of tool that we use on the farm. And a field mouse was born, dun dun dun, out in the field. In a field of corn. See the beautiful butterflies? I love the illustration. See the little field mouse? Cock-a-doodle-doo. In the barn, excuse me, there was a rooster and a pigeon too. See the pigeon? And a big white hen. See the big white hen? Standing on one leg. And under the hen was a quiet egg. There was a bantam rooster and a little bantam hen with a big clutch of eggs. Count them. There are 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. A clutch is a group of eggs. Cock-a-doodle-doo! Moo! Moo! There was a big brown cow and a little brown cow. There was an old black cat. Do you see the old black cat? Meow, meow. And a tiger tomcat. Yow, yow. Do you see the tiger tomcat? They're a little mean sometimes. There was a big red dog, Bow Wow, with some little puppy dogs all round and warm. And they all lived together in the big red barn. And they played all day in the grass and in the hay. When the sun went down in the great green field, the big cow lowed and the little pig squealed. The horses stomped in the sweet warm hay, and the little donkey gave one last bray. Do you see the sun's going down? It's beginning to be dark. The hens were sleeping on their nest. Even the roosters took a rest. The little black bats flew away out of the barn at the end of the day. Do you see the little black bats leaving the barn? They're nocturnal. They sleep all day, and then they'll go out at night to hunt and explore. And there they were, all night long, sound asleep. Do you see all the animals sound asleep? In the big red barn. See them in the big red barn? Only the mice were left to play, rustling and squeaking in the hay. Now look at this picture. While the moon sailed high, we see the reflection of the moon in the water tub. Look at in the dark night sky. I hope you enjoyed our story today. I enjoyed reading to you. You have a wonderful day. Thank you.